Right, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin video update today. So no any too much crazy progress going on, pretty much the same thing for the past few days. Bitcoin actually being at its best at the moment. So what I'm looking forward to is the following. This parallel channel is still extending and I don't know how long they're looking to extend. But if I talk about Bitcoin based on the monthly time frame, the monthly time frame actually does suggest that this month alone we might actually start to make a move. Okay, so I'm just gonna go into the monthly itself. And the last month that we saw Bitcoin was pretty amazing. Okay, we saw Bitcoin here like this. Now the mistake that a lot of people are making right now is that for some traders it looks like Bitcoin has this big green candle right there, and then next to this candle they have a plus right over here. And you have to understand that this is not a doji, not just yet, because you still have 18 days to close a candle. So what a lot of people are going to be asking is that, oh, Adam Kunze, but you have a doji, you're going to start to go down. Damn, the doji is not even confirmed. No closing, no confirmation. Once the candle closes, there's going to be a confirmation, because for some reason when back in June, when this candle was moving down here, it looks like it was red and it was going down, but as soon as in the last few days you just pumped back up very quickly and you ended up having such a massive amazing positive closing. Okay, for me Bitcoin has a very strong foundation. I've said this before. Okay, you are above all the EMAs for the very first time, and actually you've closed for the very first time, you've closed above the EMAs after November 2021. So that's like 1.5 years of waiting for you to see Bitcoin closing. This is so positive. Now of course it's crypto once again. Let's say you do come down and take this stop loss at 24,500. I'm gonna actually have to flip the switch and you're gonna look at the liquidity grabbing down here in this price level. This is gonna be 19,368. That's potentially where Bitcoin might be falling down to. But if you look at this monthly, it does look like in the next 18 days we potentially might start to move. I don't know when, but in the next 18, I mean, I'm trying to say that July is going to be a month of a movement, and we might start to actually try to move to the upside. This is a very strong candle for those who know how to trade. Now let's look what's going on the weekly. Recently we do have the weekly time frame. Now the weekly does have a doji 1, doji number 2, and who knows in the next 3 days what happens. Okay, you can actually maybe just make another doji right there and complete it, and then who knows, this can actually just be a bullish rectangle as I said before, and then break above here and start to go to the technical target. Now of course it still boils down to the 4-hour time frame, and this is the main culprit, the main place we need to know what Bitcoin is going to be doing. You have the sideways movement going on. A push down takes you to 24,000 and potentially even down to 19,000, as I've told you before. That's actually going to eliminate the monthly candle that is actually bullish. So there's no break just yet, too much of a suspense going on, and it's Bitcoin by the end of the day, just a sideways boring movement for Bitcoin. Yeah, if you do have a lot of money, try to trade sideways, buy here, sell up there, buy there, sell here, buy here, sell potentially back at 31, come down, buy here again, sell it here again, until you don't really have a very clear breakout. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.